So I'm gonna take you with me. I hope you have some fun. I just came home from work. It was a really long day. I worked John is bugging me, but I worked from 8 to 6 and I was doing this crochet thing. I've been doing this beanie thing for like, not kidding, like 3 days, and it's so complicated. I feel like it's just gonna take me forever to complete one, yet I need like 6. So quick change of plans. John and I are going to Giant's to get like a more chunky yarn, and we're also I'm just gonna use another pattern so I can just get it quick, you know, get it done and have presents for Christmas, you guys. So I'm gonna take you with me. I hope you have some fun. Also, we finally got our car registration, so John is switching the license plate before we leave. Oh, and it's like 50 degrees here in Florida. Yes, I love the cold weather, you guys. John just got a free cone at Chick-fil-A. So thank you, Chick-fil-A. We are moving along. This is my progress so far and it's going fast, so I'm really excited. I might just finish this pretty soon. You guys, I just finished this. I just did it. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to link this pattern down below because it's a YouTube video, because I think this one is just so much easier and you can do this one in a day or a couple hours, which makes it a lot better. Now the only thing left is to like sew at the end, but I haven't done it yet because I'm in between sewing it or just doing like a fur pom-pom. Well, I decide I'm just gonna leave it like this, and you know, I still have a couple days before I have to give this away. But anyways, I am a little tired and I think I'm going to start editing because John just fell asleep in the couch, which gives me more time to do my stuff. And yeah, I think after that I'm going to take a shower finally and then go to bed so I can go to work tomorrow. You know, it's just a normal week. So I will see you on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.